2025 is almost over. Another year gone. And let me ask you this. Did you really lock in this year? Did you give your best effort to glow up, mentally, physically, and emotionally? Or did it turn into another year of saying, next time? Another year of setting resolutions that slowly fade away, only to start the same cycle again in January. Be honest with yourself, because this is your wake-up call. If you're tired of waiting for the perfect time to change, if you're done restarting every year, and if you're ready to finally break that loop, then you're in the right place. Welcome to the realm of lock-in. This isn't just about looking better. It's about becoming better every single day. Because a real glow-up isn't about the mirror. It's about the mindset, the habits, and the discipline that shape who you are. So if you're ready to stop wishing and start working, if you're ready to lock in, stay consistent, and actually become the person you keep visualizing, then let's get started. 1. Mindset and self-care. First things first, the real glow-up starts in your mind. If you don't believe in yourself or treat yourself right, it doesn't matter how great your hair or outfit is. Here are 3 things to focus on. Positive self-talk. Replace "I'll never look good" with "I'm working on this and I'm improving every day." Daily self-care rituals. It can be simple: making your bed, having a morning stretch, drinking water. These small, consistent actions build a foundation. Setting realistic goals. Maybe you want clearer skin, or a healthier physique, or better posture. Set something you can track. 2. Skin and health basics. Next up, your skin and health. Because when your skin looks good and you feel physically healthy, your glow shows. Here's some things to improve that. Hydration and sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and drink plenty of water. Your skin and body will thank you. Simple skincare. A cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. You don't need 20 products to start. Healthy diet and movement. Eating colorful whole foods, moving your body even 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a big difference. 3. Style and presentation. All right, now let's talk style. Because your clothes, grooming, and how you present yourself change the vibe. Here's some things to glow it up. Wardrobe audit. Go through what you have. Keep the pieces that fit well and make you feel confident. Donate or discard what doesn't. Build a capsule or go-to look. A few reliable outfits that look good and feel good. Colors that suit you. Grooming. Hair, nails, maybe eyebrows. Tidy fit. These small things add up to polish. Posture and presence. Stand tall, shoulders back. Eye contact. Confidence is visible. 4. Social and digital presence. Glowing up isn't just physical. How you show up in your relationships and online matters too. Here's some ways to fix that. Surround yourself with positivity. Friends, communities. Follow people who uplift you, not drag you down. Online presence. Clean up your social channels if needed. Photos you're proud of, bios that reflect who you are. Communication skills. Listen more, speak clearly, build genuine connections. Your glow shows when you're kind and confident. 5. Consistency and progress tracking. Now, the secret sauce, consistency. A one-off video about Glow Up Bit won't change everything overnight, but consistent action will. Here's some advices to keep on being consistent. Track progress. Maybe take monthly photos, keep a journal. Note your moods and energy levels. Celebrate small wins. Some examples are, I wore that outfit and felt great. My skin is clearer this week. I told someone no and felt empowered. Be patient and kind to yourself. Everyone's timeline is different. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Now, before we wrap up and finish things, here are some bonus tips. Try something new, a haircut, a bold accessory, a class. Stepping out of your comfort zone helps growth. Mind your environment. Clean space, organized room, good lighting. These surroundings affect your mood. Reach out for help if you need it. Skin issues, body image, mental health. Professionals can help. No shame in that. Reflect and refine. Every month, ask yourself, what's working, what's not? Adjust accordingly. All right, that's the Glow Up plan. If you're ready to step into a brighter version of yourself, start with one small action today, whatever feels doable. Because every habit, every little decision adds up. Remember, this isn't about comparing yourself to anyone else. It's about locking in on your own growth. The days you stay consistent, even when you don't feel motivated, that's when the real transformation happens. You owe it to yourself to show up, to glow up, and to keep pushing toward that version of you that's already inside, just waiting for you to commit. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. What's your first glow-up goal? I'd love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay lock in.